The DWI exception of the Constitution. I want y'all to meet my friend from Georgia, Greg Willis. Greg is a phenomenal attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. And we were talking, and I said, you know what, this would make a good TikTok video. So we were talking about the DWI exception of the Constitution, that, you know, we have rights under the Constitution. And you brought up a good point about our rights.
Well, the government is using our Fourth Amendment rights as a weapon to get us to consent to blood tests and to try and prove our guilt by doing nothing more than exercising those rights.
So essentially, and if I'm boiling it down, in Georgia, if you refuse to allow the police to draw blood, which is our right under Birchfield, right?
Correct.
If you refuse, the government in Georgia is saying, well, you know what? You exercised your right, but that means you're guilty.
That's right. It's evidence of guilt at trial is basically what they're using it as, and they're trying to prove that you're guilty of the DUI through your exercise of your constitutional rights. It's just weaponizing nothing more than your exercise of rights.
And it really kind of brings up other things, because refusing a blood test doesn't mean that you're guilty, because it could be that you don't trust the government.
Or you don't want your blood drawn and have all your private information in someone else's hands.
A lot of different reasons spelled out in Birchfield, right?
Absolutely.
Well, that's an interesting issue, and you've got that up in front of the Supreme Court right now?
I do. The United States Supreme Court brief was filed on July 25th, 2025.
It's an exciting issue.
It is.
What do y'all think about it?